Okay, here's the quick demo for the document processing tool. Well, we simply drag the file here to upload, and we have preview here, and click confirm to extract all their details. Well, once you click this button, the system will do our very first time data persistence here in this table called extracted items. Okay, and then the user can edit this, see, can delete. All right, well, then we can proceed to the match. Okay, and we just need our second time data persistence to this table called order drafts. Well, this table is modified by the user, and this is extracted from the PDF. So later on we can compare those two tables to see like what content has the user modified. Why they do that? To improve our extraction interface. Okay, and here in the match you can select the top 5 match items, and also you can search. Okay, select, and you can still edit and not delete anything, and save and export. This I just searched this manually by myself, and here we just did our very last data persistence. You can see the request item and a match item. We can do further analysis on this, help improve our match interface. All right, that's all. Thank you.